Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to ICP video update. We are looking forward to see something big with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is really coming down to $36,000, and that's when we're going to check how ICP behaves. One thing I want to see is if ICP on the daily has lost the EMAs. We've been talking about this EMAs for quite a long time, and you can see this is for the first time that you have closed under the 20 EM. I'm just going to remove some of the drawings there. So you're looking to lose the 10 and the 20. You have lost it basically, and this is for the very first time. You literally close below the 10 and the 20 as well. Now there's one thing that I may say that can save the day, and that is ICP is really making this hammer, and that has been a very good place on the daily. You may actually see this small support going on. I may add as well. So you're looking for a little bit of an influence going on in here. So you do have certain support and resistance going on. But one thing I want to say is that you also at the same time are creating a descending triangle. Right, isn't it? So if you look at it this way, you are making this lower support going on, and you have the upper resistance. So if you had to pump, I think ICP may just go a little bit higher and touch $11.8. That's actually possible. And eventually, if you're not going to break above, if you do break above, you're going to be looking to go back up to $16. So I think put a stop down near 10.194. If you lose 10.194, you are going to be dropping at 8.5, right? Because that's the next level of support that you have. And if you try to lose this, you try to lose that as well. I think this is going to be a massive descending triangle, maybe with a technical target all the way down to from there to there. You may be looking at a move even lower to 7.6, and then on top of that, if you don't make a head and shoulder, I think 7.6 may be the final place before you don't start to pick it up. But if you do something like, as I said in yesterday's video, when you come down like this, move sideways and break below, that's it. You may be looking for a $5.3 as well. So at least for now, one thing I may say is that there's this hammer, and I'm going to actually entertain the hammer. So you are not going to go down unless you don't really take the stop of the hammer. Number one, I'm just going to bring this line above to 10.4 or 10.5. Right, so if you start to go below and take the hammer get invalidated, and you also have good chances of finally losing this support line that you're looking at. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.